Hello students, I am here to explain about the summer task by Orchard School System. Before starting the summer vacation, must remember two things. Do all work on loose sheets, and second, the students will be given marks which will be aggregated in final exams. First of all, I'll start with the computer. Do reading of the chapters 1, 2, and 3, and then learn the question answers of the chapters from notes. And then kids have to do the exercise of chapters 1 and 2 and 3. Now, chapter 4, uses of computer. Do reading of the chapter, and then kids have to solve the exercise on page 39. They have to do the filling the blanks, and then solve exercise on page 40. Then the it's mentioned there the true false, and then there's question 4. They have to do write one word for the following. Then there are questions. Kids have to write and learn these answers of these questions. And then kids have a project. Draw following parts of computer on chart and write their uses. Monitor, and they have to draw the picture of the monitor and they will write the uses of monitor. Then mouse, and then speaker. Then next is write the names of the given below. This is a worksheet. They have to solve this. The key, they have to write the name, and the down one is a puzzle computer parts. They have to find these words, and it's down one they are mentioned. Then pen drive, and then scanner, and then monitor. Next one is of English. Question number task 1 is question 1 is that read and learn unit 1 and 2 of the book, and then underline all the difficult words. Question 2 is kids have to read chapters 1 to 5 of the readers, and they also have to underline the difficult words. Then there is a task 2, reading. Read the following storybooks. They can be accessed through the given links, and then write the book report page for each book. The links are given below. People use the environment, and the links is there. Then the second is aliens like candy. Third is how are you like a giraffe. Then this book report page is given. They have to write this book report page. Now the third one is kids have to copy and learn the following words meaning. Words meanings are given below. Kids have to copy these words meanings, and they have to do it on the loose sheets, and then use the vocabulary words to make sentences. Down one there are also given example sentences. Kids will not copy the sentences from there. They will make the new one. But words meaning, down one they are given below. They have to copy, and they have to do it on the loose sheets, and then they will learn these words meaning. The next question is they have to write the following dictation words, and the dictation words are given below. Then question number 3rd is write the following dictation passage. The passage is given below. Kids have to read it, and they have to do it on the loose sheets. It's a dictation passage. And then task number 4, it's a comprehension. Kids have to read this comprehension, and then they will give the answers of these questions. Questions are there. And then task 5 is it's a project. Make a poster showing different professions or careers, and the poster should have at least kids have to mention 6 careers with their drawings and explanation as well. Now the next is Islamiyat task 1. It's related to book work. Kids have to do the reading, and they will learn the answers of the questions of book lesson 1 to 5. Then do the following question answers. They will do on the loose sheets, and they will learn the answer of these questions. The questions are given below. And then task 2 is it's a project. Make a map of Hazrat Muhammad, peace be upon him, Hijrat to Medina on a white chart paper. They have to do it. And then next subject is of maths. Maths question number 1 is write the numbers according to the place value as mentioned on book page 5. Kids have to do at least 10 sums. Then question 2 is write, count and write, then draw beads on the abacus as mentioned on, it's also mentioned on book page 8 and 9, and kids have to do at least 10 sums. Then question 3 is write backward countings from 50 to 30 in numbers as well as in words. Then question number 4 is do addition sums as done on book page 25, addition of 2-digit numbers. And it's also mentioned in book page 27, and then addition of 3-digit number, and it's also mentioned in the book page number 34, and kids have to do at least 10 sums each. And then question number 5 is do subtraction sums as done on book page 41, and then 41, and it's also mentioned 43, 47 and 49. Then question number 6 is write tables. Kids have to write the tables of 2, 3, 4 and 5, and at least try to learn also. And then next is of science. Science question number 1 is kids have to draw a 3D diagram of a heart and label it. And the second question is they have to draw a diagram of a skeleton and they will label, for example, they will label ribs and then head, then joints, and these things they will label. And question number 3 is like they will describe in their own words that why we need our skeleton, why it is important and why we need it. Then there is a question 4, collect pictures of, kids have to collect pictures of animals, as many as they can, and suppose it could be up to 10, and arrange them into 2 sets, vertebrates and invertebrates, and also later they will tell which set contains the most animals. Now the next one is question 5. Question 5, choose a pet animal or some other animal that you study regularly. Watch carefully to see how it moves around and write down what you have learned. And then question 6 is there is a activity, and it's mentioned in the book page number 21. Kids have to do this activity, and there is also another activity which is mentioned in a book page number 25. They have to do these 2 activities. That one is meant 21 and 25. Then there's a question 7. This is the reading. They have to do the reading of unit 1, 2 and 3. Now the last is Urdu. So the chapter Hamd, Naat, Khushi Ka Din, Allah Ka Ghar, Sara Ka Ghar, Pakistan ہم سب کا گھر ہے, قائد اعظم اور وقت کی پابندی. ان تمام چیپٹرز کا کاپی پہ اور جو نوٹس کی صورت میں ان کو پرووائڈ کیا گیا تمام کام اور بک کے صفحات یاد بھی کرنے ہیں اور زبانی ان کا کام لکھنا ہے لوز شیٹس کے اوپر. دین اپنا جو پسندیدہ شخصیت کے بارے میں چند لائنیں لکھیں اور اس کی تصویر بھی پیسٹ کرنی ہوگی. دین آپ نے چھٹیاں کیسے گزاری اور رمضان کا جو منتھ ہے رمضان المبارک کے متعلق آپ نے کیا سیکھا, آپ نے چند کچھ لائنز لکھنی ہے اس کے اوپر. دین آپ نے کوئی سے 10 جملے بنانے اور ان میں کلمہ اور محمل کا فرق واضح کرتے ہوئے کلمہ اور محمل الفاظ کو اپنے خط کشیدہ کرنا ہے. اور دین یو آلسو ہیو ٹو ڈو اے اسٹوری بھی کرنی ہے, اور جس کا جو نتیجہ ہے ناانصافی کا انجام ہمیشہ برا ہوتا ہے. اور 10 جملے تحریر کرنے اور ان میں سے فعل, فاعل اور مفعول کو علادہ لکھ کر نمایاں کریں. ہوپ سو دس از all clear for OS2. Best of luck of OS2.